Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. As you read by the title, this is another collab we are doing for Just Jessica. This is her 4 years clean and sober. We just wanted to reach out and tell her congratulations that somebody does see the accomplishments that she has set out for herself, and to let other people know that you can do anything you set your mind to if you keep going. So this is a collab. All of the other channels will be listed down in the description box, and Just Jessica's channel will also be down there also. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, now we have that done. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in light peach. This is a rather interesting look so far. I wonder if this is going to be too dark. So this was an interesting collab. I hope that you like this look. That looks so creepy in the mirror. And I'm not going to worry too much about my ears. Just trying to get it somewhat normal looking on my face. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Now we're going to use some of the Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder, and this is in Original. It is a very white powder, which is what I'm going for this look. So if you don't have Just Jessica, do go over, check her out. Do go over and check out the other ladies in this collab. Here comes Miss Chloe. She came in and laid down, so that's always a good sign. Alright, so there's that. I am going to take this off of my lips because it's really bothering me. Just because it looks so strange and it's so drying. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get. We are going to use some of the Pretty Vulgar eye primer just because of the look I'm going to do. I don't want it to stain. And I'm only going to put it where I'm going to put the shadow. It is moving my foundation. So that's a good thing to know. Although I can say I do have my foundation caked on a lot to get it that paste white color that I did finally achieve. Alright. So we are going to be using the Violet Boss Essentials palette. I'm going to be using the black color out of here. This is what that palette looks like. It's a very pretty palette. I do use this palette. So, again, Jessica, congratulations. Please let me know if you are a constant subscriber that watches my videos. Let me know if you're tired of the collabs or if you enjoy them. I just really would like to know. I enjoy them, but that doesn't mean that y'all do. So that primer is very much grabbing a hold of the eyeshadow and not moving it. I feel like I got eyeshadow on there. Okay. I can tell you that that primer and that foundation do not like each other whatsoever. It's just trying to peel up off my face. So, any guesses as to what look I'm doing? Do you know? Do you think you know? So we are going to do this eye on camera, and then I'm going to step off and do the other one. Jessica likes the dark, grungy looks. I have talked about Just Jessica before on my channel. I do very much enjoy her content, channel, her as a person, the whole 9 yards. So there is that. Let me grab... This is the Cake Pencil by KVD. There's that. I'm going to take just a pencil, pointy brush, and where I put the eyeliner on the lash line, we are just going to smudge that out a little bit, just to have that dark color in there. I'm going to use the It Cosmetics No Tug eyeliner in black for my eyebrows. Those are some scary eyebrows. I don't want to put that through any of my spoolies. Alright. I'm going to use the Tristique Good Vibes Mascara. I do enjoy this mascara, even though the eyelash curler is, again, a waste of space. Alright, so there's that. I'm going to pause right here and I will be doing the other eye, and then we'll be back to finish off the lips and the rest of this look. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Both eyes are done. I am going to take this It Cosmetics No Tug eyeliner in black again. We are going to outline our lips. Then I'm going to use the ColourPop and Bretman Rock collab. And I don't even have a color anymore. It is red. Right in the middle. Alright, there is that. We're going to pause and I'll be right back with the end of this look. Alright, we are back. So, this is my recreation of a Marilyn Manson look. Anyway, thank you for checking out the video. I greatly appreciate it. Just Jessica, congratulations, honey. I am so very proud of you. Do go over, check out Jessica's channel. Please do go over and check out everybody else that is in this collab. There will be a playlist down in the description box. Please do go over and tell Jessica congratulations. 4 years is a long time. Very committed to what you set your mind to, and just goes to show you that you can do anything that you set your mind to. So that's it, guys. This is my look. It is a little scary. I would totally rock this look though. So that's just me. I could see Jessica doing the same thing. So I did have fun. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. If you are here from somebody else's channel, welcome. My name is Becca. I don't usually look like this, but at times you can catch me looking a little off guard. But that's it, guys. So until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye.